All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. And this is TushFX. I just want to show you the trade I took at the close of Asian session and how the trade made me a lot of money. I made a lot of money from this trade. Now, this is the 1 hour time frame on gold, and I just mapped out my key zone, and I discovered that okay, since price have pulled back to 100% retracement, because we are actually bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Price was creating a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and price came back to create what, a higher low. So what are we expecting? A higher high. But price has not yet broken this particular higher high at the moment right now. But I will just explain what I did this morning to you. So when price came here last night, I was like kind of really sleepy, so I was unable to take any trade. But when I woke up around 5 o'clock in the morning, I analyzed the chart and I scaled that. Then I just price was somewhere here. That was the previous high that price got to. What I did was that I just put my Fibonacci retracement and target it, and price was like, okay, price was going to pull back to 78% retracement. So immediately price got to the 78% retracement, I knew that yes, price was going to buy up. But what I did before there was that I scaled down to my 15 minutes time frame. So like I said, this was where the price was before. So I drew my Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high. So immediately price tapped on it. Price, I set my alarm here and price tapped on it. Now I waited a while because I just don't want to jump into any trade. And I saw this bullish engulfing on the 15 minutes time frame. This bullish engulfing on the 15 minutes time frame. I saw this bullish engulfing on the 15 minutes time frame, and I was like, okay, that's my confirmation. I did not just think twice than to just enter. I entered the trade from somewhere here. That was where I entered the trade, and it gave us a little bit drawdown. I was not really bothered, and the next thing, boom, I closed my trade here after I got about 210 pips. Then I just decided to, okay, let me close the trade. And currently, right now, I'm also on a sale on this particular trade right now, and I'll show you something. If you not take your your Fibonacci retracement, you go to the 15 minutes time frame and you try, because this was the last place that make the market push down from the swing high to the swing low. You see that price has also tapped on 78% retracement here. That's the power of 78% retracement. Price also tapped on the 78% retracement, and it did a very nice bearish engulfing. Though it has not yet broken the neckline of the M pattern that is trying to form, but it did a very nice bearish engulfing down. And as you can see, price is pushing down. As you can see, price is pushing down. So why did I take this trade? Yes, price is back to 78% retracement, and we believe that this long move, that there should be a retracement before price can continue buying up. Okay, because since there is no news that is pushing the market at the moment, we believe that okay, market should pull back a bit and what give us that massive push to the upside. And I was just risking only 100 pips on this particular trade. That's what I'm risking on this particular trade, and I'm targeting the next 78% retracement to take my profit. But I can take my profit maybe anywhere at 61% retracement or 50% retracement, just to make sure that okay, I get something out of the trade. You understand? And another factor that also made me take the sale was that there is what, a psychological level of 4,350 right here. You can see it, 4,350. That's it. A round psychological level there. And psychological level also acts as a form of what? Resistance. Coupled with the fact that this 4 hours, this is the 4 hours time frame. Price, this was the last place price got to. And it's also what, there's also a 15 minutes, there's also a fair value gap here. You can see the fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. And there's a 78% retracement here. And you can see price is pushing down. I'm currently in profits right now. I'm currently in profits. I'm currently in profit right now. This is the trade I took. I'm still on the trade right now. I'm on the trade right now. I'm currently on the trade right now. If you can see my screen, just see it. I'm currently on the trade right now. Okay. So Fibonacci retracement is something that I believe works perfectly now on gold. it works perfectly now on good, most especially on the 78% retracement. What am I trying to say? Or what am I looking at for? Assuming price is doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now price is back. So where is this price going to get to first before it's going to push to create another new high? It's going to be 78% retracement. If we should put this here, you just put it the swing low to a swing high. You just wait for price to get to your 78% retracement before you look for your confirmation and enter. And when price break this high, then we'll wait for price to pull back. Mostly if you want to be conservative. Sorry, let me move this a bit. If you want to be conservative, you don't want to trade any trade that you see. You just wait and just continue buying according to the trend. Wait for the pullback and buy. That's just how the Fibonacci retracement work. Currently, right now, I'm on this trade right now, and as you can see, I think we're close to we're just about 40 pips in profit, 40 to 50 pips in profit. But we'll just keep seeing, I'm on this trade in all my accounts, but we'll just keep seeing what the market has for us. But let's see what's going to happen today on the news. So, is there any significant news today? Today is 16th. So, there's no much news that will affect, there's no high impact news that is going to affect the US currency today. So the market is just going to keep going with the market structure. So I just need to keep an eye on this trade and see what is going to look like. And I'm going to keep you guys posted how this trade ended. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.